Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. This is another Glossybox unboxing video, but this time I'm going to be unboxing the Holiday 2020 box. This one looks just like the advent calendar that I opened up from them. So yeah, I'm going to be opening this up for you guys today. So really quickly, before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have it linked in my description box below. I believe it is going to be ending soon, so make sure you guys go and enter that before it's over. And then also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here we have the Glossybox holiday box. I love the packaging. It's the same packaging from the advent calendar. I will have that probably up in the cards or something, so if you guys want to go and watch that. But it just opens up like this. Hopefully things don't fall out. So here's what it looks like on the inside. I love how nicely Glossybox packages their boxes. I feel like they always look very nice. So let's go ahead and undo this pretty little bow. And then we have the little info card right here. And then everything else is just under here, under this tissue paper. So this little card right here, it's more like a pamphlet, basically tells you everything inside the box and then all of the prices. So let me just read to you guys about this specific box really quickly. It says, perfectly complementing our advent calendar, the holiday limited edition features a very special rose gold marble keepsake box. Inside, you'll discover 8 beauty products worth over $200 to rejuvenate your complexion, nourish your hair, and add a touch of sparkle ready for the festive season ahead. It says the price of this is $30 for subscribers and then $35 for non-subscribers. Available now with free shipping, so you guys can still get this. I know last time when I unboxed the Black Friday box, I believe it was sold out by the time I unboxed that box for you guys, but as of right now, this one is still available. And then I do have a coupon code. It's Melinda, and you can get money off of your first Glossybox if you guys sign up. I'll have everything linked in my description box below, but let's go ahead and start opening this up. Ooh, okay, just looking at this, I'm already excited. So I'm gonna pull out the first thing, and it is this. This says Travel Buddy Moisturizing Mini Kit. Let's go ahead and see what this is. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, what is this? Look at this cute little thing in here. It's like a little clutch almost, like a little wallet. So here's what this looks like up close. Oh, there's a bunch of little samples in here. This is so cute. All right, so inside were these 4 little skincare products. There's this little cheat sheet thing in here on the inside of the packaging. So first up we have this, and this is the Better Oil. It says it's a strategic blend of sea buckthorn, black currant, and rosehip oils with a hefty dose of soothers to help skin stay calm. So it says to dab on this lightweight oil on the cheek area for a little instant glow. It says that you can layer it over Aquafix, which I believe is also in this little set, or Mr. Reliable to nourish and brighten the skin. I'm actually really excited about this because I have other oils with buckthorn in it, and this also says that it has squalene oil. Squalene? I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. So yeah, this looks like it's a good oil. Then we have this one, which is the Balm Voyage, and it says it's a balanced blend of skin-friendly occlusives and ceramides for whenever your skin decides to be a jerk. So it says that you can apply it to areas like the lips, elbows, and hands to keep dry patches away. Slather around the nose area while you're out in the snow. That's actually a really good idea because my nose does get really dry in the winter. So this set is looking good so far. And then we have these 2 other bottles here. All right, so this next one is called Aquafix. It says it's oil-free, jam-packed with hydrating and soothing powerhouses that help keep skin happily hydrated. It says layer on soothing Aquafix when you go overboard with the actives. It says 100% oil-free. Oily skin individuals can be indulgent with confidence. And then lastly, we have this product right here called Mr. Reliable. It says it's a moisturizer with a balanced blend of humectants, oils, occlusives, and soothing actives for those who don't have time for anything else. So I'm actually really excited about this little skincare set. All right, so I just looked at my little card right here, and it says that's the Chemist Confections Travel Buddy Kit, and the price of that is $35. All right, next up we have this product right here, and this is a dry shampoo from the brand Authentic Beauty Concept. So this is a deluxe mini size, and the price of this is $10. The full size of this is $25. It says it's free from microplastics, mineral oil, and parabens, and silicones. This dry shampoo will texturize, refresh, and protect your hair from heat. As I said in one of my other recent videos where I unboxed a Glossybox and I got a dry shampoo, I love dry shampoos. So I was just reading this and it says it's made in Hungary, which is really funny because that's where my husband is from. But yeah, I really am excited about that. And then next up, we have a product that I already use every single day, and I actually love this product so much. I've been using this like literally since I was probably in like elementary school, maybe junior high-ish, and it is the BioSilk Silk Therapy. This is a hair product. So this is a deluxe mini size, and the price of this is $15.95. The full size is $49.70. That doesn't sound right because I have the full size and I'm pretty sure I only paid like $23 for it at like HEB. So I don't believe that $49 is the full size price of this product, but it is a really good hair product. It says it contains natural pure silk. This weightless serum is great for taming frizz and preventing split ends, resulting in a beautiful shine. I use this when my hair is wet. I use it when my hair is dry. It smells amazing and it makes your hair seriously feel so soft. So I'm actually so excited that this came in this box, especially because it's like the mini size, so it's easy to travel with. Next up, we have this little product right here. This is from the brand Christoph Robin, and this is their cleansing volumizing paste. This one is also a deluxe mini size, and the price of this is $10.13. It says that the full size is $19. So it says that this helps preserve and enhance color while creating volume from the roots without weighing down your hair. So I didn't even realize this was another hair care product. I thought this was a skincare product. Why does this look so gross? Okay, it doesn't smell bad. This is really interesting. Like, what is this, like a hair mask? It says apply to damp hair in place of shampoo and massage. Rinse and follow with a conditioner. Oh, okay, duh. It's a cleansing shampoo. Obviously, I was not paying attention to what the name of this is, so I always love a good cleansing shampoo, so I'll probably give that a go. Next up, we have another skincare product, and this is from the brand Intraceuticals. This is their Rejuvenate Daily Serum. This one is also a deluxe mini size, and the price of this is $74.50, and the full size is $149. That is so expensive. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so it says, dramatically improve your skin's texture, radiance, and vitality with this rejuvenating serum's anti-aging ingredients. It says, after cleansing, apply 1 to 3 pumps into your palms and gently pats all over face and neck and follow up with a moisturizer. I'm actually like really curious about this, so I'll probably be trying this out. I don't actually really have like a skincare serum in my skincare routine right now. Literally, I just like wash my face, tone, and then moisturize. So the next thing in the box is a nail polish, and I'm actually like really excited about this one. This is a nail polish from the brand Lauren B Beauty, and the price of this is $14. I'm so excited about this one because it's like a chunky glitter type of nail polish, which I actually like love chunky glitter like this. This is like the perfect kind of like chunky glitter nail polish if you just wanted to put like a little bit down here around the cuticle and then kind of like fade it up. So I'm definitely going to be trying that one out. And then I think we're almost done. The next thing in the box is this right here. And this is from the brand Cab Cosmetics. This is their Strawberry Daiquiri Lip Liner. So the price of this is $12. It says it's formulated for perfect lip contouring. This lip liner will make you photo ready for the holidays this year. This mid-toned pink with nude undertones can be used alone or easily paired with your favorite lipstick. So I'm actually not going to open this up because I will probably put it in a giveaway or something because I have so many lip liners, but this is still exciting to get in the box. All right, you guys, we're down to the last thing in the holiday box, and it is this huge face mask thing right here. So it is this Hydrolift Golden Facial Treatment Mask from the brand MZ Skin, and the price of this is $30. So it says that it's clinically proven to improve skin smoothness. This facial mask will hydrate, lift, and prime your skin while targeting hyperpigmentation. You're supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes, peel and remove excess with warm water. I feel like I've seen people use these kind of masks like on Instagram and they look like super crazy. And I've always wanted to try one out, so I'll probably have to use this like in an Instagram video or something. Let me know if you guys want to see that. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys do that because I post like different content on my Instagram, like skincare videos, makeup tutorials, like pictorials where I show close-ups of eyeshadow looks and things like that. So yeah, that is everything that came in the holiday glossy box. I think I much prefer this box than the Black Friday box. I feel like this one is a really good one. There are a lot of products that I'm actually really excited about, specifically the BioSilk one. I love this this product already, so I'm actually so excited about it. And then I'm also really excited about both of these skincare products that came in here. The Travel Buddy and then also the Serum are really exciting. And then I feel like everything else in the box was also really good. Like, they're all products that I can definitely see myself trying out. A lot of times when I get subscription boxes, I like get things and I'm like, I'm not really gonna try it out. I'm not interested. The only thing that I probably am not gonna try is the lip liner, just because I already have so many of them. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the holiday box. I think it's definitely a good one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. You definitely do not want to miss out on that. And then also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.